Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Power BI series. And in this video, we are going to see some of the logical function like if, else, switch, or, and many more. So without any delay, let's start with the session and let's come to my computer screen. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe and update for the upcoming video. So without delay, let's move to the our computer screen. Hello guys, so let's start. So in last class, we have seen some of the iterator function like sum x, average x, product x, mean x. And we have seen how to create this back button and forward button, all this. And in this video, we are going to see some of the important logical function that would be, let me write down over here. Go to the view and remove this grid. Okay, so that will be if, then true, what is how true, and false. Next will be switch, next will be and or and not. Okay, so these are the functions we are going to see in this video. So before starting the Power BI, let me explain you all this syntax. So I know it's very easy. I think you have used this also in somewhere. So what is the if condition syntax? It's something like if and then condition and true value, otherwise false value. Correct. So this is the syntax of this. So condition can be, let's say I can write if I 5 is greater than 6, then pass as a return as a good, write as a or print as a good, otherwise bad. So in this case, my 5 greater than 6 is a condition, good is a true value, and bad is a false value. So whenever this criteria will meet, 5 is not greater than 6, right? By universal, 5 is not greater than 6. So it is a false. So it will print as a bad. There's a false value. But if I write over here, 5 is less than 6, that is a universal truth, and it will return as a true value. So it will return as a good. It will return as a good, I mean it will give the result as a good over here, right? What is the use of true and false, that I will actually explain you in the Power BI itself. What is the use of switch also, I will explain in the Power BI itself. And is something, let's say num, and here is a num2. Okay, here is 1, here is 1, so result will be result of and what will be 1. So let's say here is 0 and here is 1, it will be 0. So here is also again, let's say 1 and here is 0, it will be, sorry, it will be 0. And if it is 0, here 0, it will be 0 over here. So to return the result as a true, you both the value should be true. Okay, if I'm writing over here Delhi, okay, and here is a India. Okay, if I'm going to consider that in AND operation, that if this cell, sorry, if let me write down like this, equal to, and if this one is equal to Delhi, and logic 2 is this one is equal to India, then return something. I think it is wrong somewhere. DELHI, that is okay. INDIA, India. It should be true basically. It should not be false. I don't know why it is false. Let me check over here. Maybe some space over here. Now because there was some space over here, that's why it was giving a false value. So if L8 equal to India and K8 equal to Delhi, but K8 equal to actually Delhi and L8 is equal to India, so it is giving a true value over here, right? So if, let's say that if I'll write over here not Delhi, I'll write over here Bangalore, it is giving the false value to me, right? But if I want to print over here something else, that also possible using the if condition. So what I will do, I will use the if condition out of it. If and this, if both the value are true, then return me uh, okay. Okay, otherwise not okay. Will be not okay because this one, this AND operation is returning me false value. It is means the condition of this is a false, and the if condition, the false value is not okay, so it is going to return as a not okay over here. Similarly, in the AND OR operation, result of OR, let me increase the, okay, this should be, let's say if both are 1 and 1 means both the value is true, it means it will return the true. If any one value is true, it will return true. Here also any one value means num1 is true and num2 is not true, means false, then also it will return as a true value. And here both the value is not true, it means it will return as a false value. So it is the example of AND, right? Another example of or how it will be. Let's say again I'm going to write over here equal to or A8 is equal to Delhi, again equal to Delhi, comma L8 equal to India. Okay, if it is that, return me true. Why it is giving the true here? Because one condition is matching, right? L8 is India and L8 is India basically, but K8 is not equal, K equal to Delhi, but K8 equal to Bangalore. So one condition is true. This is 1 and it is returning as a 0. So 0, 1 value is true. This is how the true and false condition, and not is actually opposite. If it is you are passing 0, the result will be 1, correct? So that is a not value. So now let's come to the Power BI. In the Power BI, we have a customer column over here, right? In the customer column, we are going to return that if the age is greater than, sorry, less than 25, it is a younger age. Okay, if it is age is less than 32 and greater than, yeah, less than 32 and greater than 25, it is a middle age. And if it is more than 32, it will be old age. Let me see what are the distinct value we have over here. So for that, come to this and let me print the distinct value first, so we'll understand how many distinct value in the age we have. So I'll take the one of the, I will create one of the measure here. So measure will be, I'll just try to get some value. I try to understand what are the distinct value we have. So distinct, and column name is dim customer age. Okay, that's all. Now if I'll pass this measure to the call here, there is some error over here. I think it is going to, I think I have to write here, select value, selected value, then it will work, I guess. No, then I will write over here value. Then also not working. It should work basically. Values, maybe it is values, distinct. No, maybe let me write here directly, dim age. No, or let me remove this and directly get it over here. We have age till 37. Let me delete this from this. Okay, so let me get the distinct value from the age, and then we will identify that what are the age criteria we are going to write over here. Okay, so I'm taking the first table and then I'm dropping this, dragging and dropping this age. So we have the age, lower value is 17, you can see over here, and highest value is 37. Okay, now let me delete this. I'm going to delete this from here and I'm going to create one new page. I'm going to write here logical function. It will be easy. Now we have seen that our age is from 17, lower value is lower value in the age or lower age. Lower age we have a 17, and higher age we have a 37. Okay, now my condition is age. If the age is less than equal to 25, it should be younger age. Okay, if the age is greater than 25. Okay, and if the age is greater than 25 and less than how much, it should be less than 32. Your age should be in between. Age is less than 32 and greater than 25, then it is middle age. Okay, now next is that your age should be otherwise you have a old age if the age is greater than 32. These three criteria we need to write in the Power BI, okay, using the if condition. So how we are going to write for this? So we are going to create the calculated column for this. Okay, we can't create the measure for this. If you write this in the measure, what will happen? See, I'm creating new measure. In the measure, I'm writing here age group. Age here age group equal to if. Okay, age. See, you can't select the age column, right? Because if is not the iterator function. If is not the iterator function, or whenever you are going to create a measure, you always start with you need some one value, right? But age is having multiple value in the column. So if condition can't go one by one to the your row and it can evaluate. For that we have to write the calculated column. Okay, whenever you are writing anything in the measure, it should, and you are referring the column, so you must pass under some function like sum, average, mean, max, like this. Okay, under the if condition you can't write this, but you have if one value, let's say that we have calculated some value. Okay, and then you have under the sum value you have some value, and then if you want to compare with that, it is possible. But if you are comparing these value under the if condition one by one, it is not possible. Okay, so we are going to use the calculated column for that. Let me delete this, and I'm going to start with the calculated column, that is new column here. Okay, how you can get, again right click, how you can get this calculated column. So I want to create a calculated column in this dim customer, so I'll right click, and you have option here new column, so click on this, and now I will write age group equal to if. Okay, if age, so it is referring the dim customer age. If age is less than, it is less than equal to, so it is equal to less than, no, less than equal to 25, then it will be, what is the value? True value is younger age. Okay, for the next condition we have a three condition, but the next argument you can pass in the if condition, that is a result false. So result false can be any one value you can pass, but we have a two value, right? We have to pass the middle age also and old age also. So for that, in the false value we are going to write one more if condition. Okay, once you write if condition one more, you have a three input here. One is a condition, true value, and false value. So again, my logical test means condition will be dim customer age. Okay, if this is greater than or greater than 32, is greater than 32, then the age will be which one? Older age. Okay, otherwise if it is, say, if the age is less than or equal to 25, means if the age is we have in the age from 17 till 25, it is younger age. Okay, and if the age is greater than 32, so it will be older age. So what about the between uh, from the 26 to 32? That will be my middle age. and that I can pass in the this if condition false value directly. Middle age. Now let me explain this formula or dex again, how it is working. So my condition was, if the age is less than or equal to 25, then it will be younger age. So dim customer age is the less than or equal to 25, print me the younger age. So how you can write the if condition? Condition and true value. So this is my condition, from here till here is a condition, and then this is my true value, right? And next will be the false value. But as we have one more condition, like middle and age, we have two condition. Any one we can write in the false value, middle or age. But we have two value, so we have passed one more if condition in the false value of the first if condition. Okay, in the first if condition false value, we have write one more if condition. Like this, we are going to have a three condition over here. Very one three argument we have. So one is the condition. Again we have a true value and we have a false value. So in the true condition, in the if second if condition, we can compare the last one, because it is easy, only you have to write greater than. It is not like less than and equal to, otherwise you have to pass. If you want to write this in the second if condition, then you have to write with the end condition or condition. That's why I have written only one, this one. And in the second if false value, I have written the middle age. So it is like this, easy. Okay, now I press enter and we got the error. Where is the error? Let me find out this. It's about the comparing the value text with the value of the integer. Okay, so it is telling that you are comparing the text with the integer value. So 25, 32 is the integer, but my age column, if you check over here, it is in text. So either you convert this 25 into the integer, into the text, or you convert this column itself into the number, integer. So I am going to convert this age column into the whole number, that is the integer value. Data type change. Now you got here, see, compare the older age. Now you have a older age over here, right? So older age should be greater than 32, right? Greater than 32 is a older age. See over here, all the age should be greater than that. That is correct. Next, younger age. Convert the first younger age. It should be less than equal to 25. So all the values should be less than 25 or equal to 25. See, 17 till 25 is the younger age. Now take the middle age. Middle age should be from the 32, should be after 25, is 26 till 32. See, 27, 28, 29 till 32. As 26 is not in the data, so we are not having a in the middle age. So this is how you can write the if condition, and you can derive one new column. But in this, we have used the if condition two times, right? If you have a multiple condition over here, let's say we have a three only, right? We have a three condition, so we have written two if condition in this, and one value at the end we have written the false value. But if you have multiple values, multiple if conditions over here, or multiple condition you have, then you have to write a multiple if condition. But there is a one function in the Power BI where you can eliminate this if condition, like nested if condition, that is called switch. So what is switch? Switch is basically a use for removing the nested if condition. So in place of the nested if condition, you can use the switch function. And how it is actually? It is logic 1, logic 2, logic 3, logic 4, it will work. Logic 1, comma, logic 2, comma, logic 3, comma, logic 4, and so on. You can write any logic in this. Okay, so now see how we can write this same age group, we can derive this similar age group column using the switch function. Okay, so I'll create one more new column and I will write here age group, age group, age group using switch. It will be easy to understand for you. I will write here switch. Now the expression is that first expression value result, and like this we have to write. So very first expression is that age, if the age is less than equal to 25, sorry 25, my return is younger age, younger age. Okay, next condition is that again my dim age, if it is greater than 32, then we can write the, what do you want next is the, if the greater than 32 is a old age, old age. Okay, next we can write the else condition. Else condition is the middle age, middle age, because we have only three conditions. So in three condition, two condition we can compare and last condition we can write in the else. Now press enter, you will see error over here. Now what is, why we have an error? So before that, let me remove first error and then I will explain you what is the meaning of this error. Okay, now as I have written true here, the error has been removed. And let me remove this filter also, clear all filters. So see, younger age, you have exactly same answer, right? Now let me validate the answer. So I'll select from here younger age. So if I'll select here the younger age, here also should be the younger age, correct? So it means that this formula is giving the correct answer. Now the question is why I have got the error at the beginning and why I have written here true over here. So these two I need to explain over here. So first I'll remove this true from here. Okay, and now let's see, we got the error, why it is. Let's try to understand this error. So as you have written switch is exactly working as a if condition. Okay, now what is the first expression? The first expression is dim customer age less than equal to 25, return the younger age. Okay, so you are trying to compare this age column, this age column, and you are, what you're trying to do, if the age is less than or equal to 25, you want the younger age. Okay, so what this function will do, it will go to first, it will go to this row and it will compare, and it will compare and see this. Okay, 24 is less than to 25, so I want the younger age. Perfect, that is true. Now there is a, in this expression, whatever you have written over here, age is less than equal to 25, from here you have a two value, one is true, one is false, correct? So if it is true, you have a younger age, but if it is false, it will go to the next function and it will compare. And if it is also true over here, you have a old age, otherwise it will print the middle age, correct? So from every expression, whatever you have this expression over here and you have the second expression over here, you have a two written from this. One is the true value, another one is the false value. But your switch function is not able to understand that which value they should pass to the next expression and which value they should pass to result, I mean print as a result. That's why we are writing over here true. It means that whenever this condition is returning a true value, give me the result, and whenever this expression is passing a false value, pass to the next expression. Again same here, whenever this expression is passing as a true value, return in this new column a result, I mean. And whenever this expression is not returning the true value, pass to the else condition, and else condition is as it is, it will write over here. That's why we have written here true. It means that the switch condition will return as a result true value, whatever we get from this expression as a true value. It's clear, I guess. So that's why we got the true value over here. Now if you write the false value over here, false value over here, it means that return me, return as a result whenever it is false, and pass this to the next expression whenever it is true, just opposite. See see you got the older age over here, right? How it is working: 24 is less than 25, so this is true value, but you want the result over here as a, what you want as a result here, false value. So whenever it is true value, it will pass to the next expression. Okay, and next expression is here 24. Let's say age is assigned as a 24 for the first row, but 24 is greater than 32, no, it is false value. So I want the false value only. So the return of this is a old age, and old age will get written over here as a result, because I want the false value only, right? That is the reason. So this is how you can write the if and switch function in the Power BI. Hope it is clear, guys. Now, where you can use this? You can use, let's say that I want to find which age group has done more sale for us, or maybe which age group has no done the more uh, sale, or maybe more order from my company, or let's say from my store. How we can do this? We can take the any bar column. Let's say I'll take this, and in the x value I'll write the age group. I'll take the age group, and in the y axis I will take the sales amount. So from here it is very clear that younger age has done the more sale for us, right? More sales revenue for us. It is clear from here. Now if you want the product wise, again, what kind of product this age group has purchased. So I'll take the another, I can take the another this bar graph, and here I will take the x column as a x axis as a age group again. And if you want the product over here, product, sorry, product id, it will count basically, because if you whatever you will give here, it will give a count. But let me take this product category, it will give the error because it is not in the count, but it is giving basically count. See, count of the category. So it is basically, it has taken the all 32, this middle age has purchased from all 32, 23 category. Here also 23, here is also 23. So that is not the use case. I should delete this. Let me delete this from here. Okay. So it is clear, guys, from here that younger age has done the more sale for us. I mean, they have purchased more from our store, and we can focus more on this age group. Now, next can be that which kind of product this younger age has purchased from our, which kind of category they this younger age has purchased from us. So that I try to find, but it is giving to all 23, because that is also because this customer and this product is not connected with each other in the back in the data model. That's why we are getting the error over here. So now we can do this. Let me again, to find the which category, like which age group has like more. For that we need to connect this. So that is again, it's a we don't have a common column between these two, so we can't connect this. Anyway, let's move to the next function, which is, let me come over here. So we have seen the if condition, we have seen the switch condition over here. Based upon your application, you can use any of this. Okay, next is that how to use the or and end condition in this. Okay, so for that I will come to the state column. Okay, in the state column we have a state code, we have a state, and we have a reason over here, right? So I want that when from the each state, no, not each state, say I want whenever the region is south and state is KL, I want exclude or not include. Okay, and again I will write this over here. I will write down over here. It will be easy to understand. So what I want, I have a state code, right? State code, and we have here region. So whenever we have a state code as a KL and we have a state as a region as a south, I don't want to. I will write here status. The column name is status. So I don't want to include in my report. So I will write here not include. Okay, not include. Next means I want to create one status column. That status column I can use in the filter, and I can exclude whatever is not required to include in my report. So I need to create one first status column where it should be whenever is a state is KL and south is region is south not included, and wherever is MP state is MP, and and region is west should be not include. Okay, and one more I'll take whenever is a GU state is GU, state code is GU, and we have over here north should be not included, rest all should be included. So I want to find the uh, report cells by the state where I don't want to consider Kerala, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, and rest all I want to consider. So I want to create one column over here that will be status, and I want to write over here for the KL state not included, for what is the next, for the MP not included, and for the GU Gujarat not included. Okay, so I'll again right click new column, and I will write status. Status equal to if. Okay, if and end status sorry state code. State code is equal to KL comma stay region equal to south, we under double inverted comma south, close the bracket. So logic 1 true, logic 1 true, both the true, and from this end condition we have a what we have a condition for the if condition, and what I want here, if both the true then not included, not included, otherwise included, otherwise included. Okay, let's here see, we have written only for one condition, that is for the KL and south. So KL and south not included or included, but my condition is that for the MP not included and GU not included. So for same I want not included for the MP, here it should be not included, and for the GU also not included. So we have to write one more condition over here. How we can write for this, we can use here again if condition, and we can pass the end condition for this, right, and it will be working. So first we'll go right with the if condition, or maybe you can write under the switch condition also, that is also possible with the switch condition. So let's try with first if condition. Okay, if again don't ask why we are writing the if condition here. So it's basically from this end condition from here to here is the condition for the if, this if condition, and not included is the true value. In the false value we are writing again the if condition. So again end, and I'll just copy paste this to save the time, and I will just write over here instead of the KL what is the next, MP, right? So I'll write over here MP, and state code here is south and here is the west, right? So I'll write over here west, west. Okay, and I will close the bracket for this end condition. So my end condition is logic 1 and logic 2, and this is the logic 1 and logic 2 in all together is the condition for the second if condition here, and my true value is not included. right? Not included. Again, my third condition is for GU and this north. So again, I can write the if condition, and I can copy paste this end condition from here until here. Let's say not included. And instead of KL, I want the GU, and instead of the south, I want the north, right? North, not included. Otherwise, in the last is the false condition is included. Included. Sorry. So one if condition closed, second if condition is closed, and third is the last one. So now see what is happening over here. So very first one, if the state is KL and region is south, not included. So if under the if end condition, logic one, if the state code is equal to KL and region equal to south, then if both in the end condition, both the conditions should be true. So of course this condition is true, right? Because this KL is in this state code, we have a KL, that is true, and here is south, in this region we have a south, so it will be not included. Correct. Again, if and in the end condition we have a dim state MP, so here is the MP, right? And dim state equal to west, so here is the state is the region is a west, it is not included. Again we have if condition, if the state code equal to GU, so we have a GU over here, Gujarat, and dim state region equal to north, over here it is north, so it is not included. So wherever this condition will match KL and south, only here is matching, it will write not included. If it is MP and west, not included, and GU and north, not included, and rest all will be included. So if you write over here, see, not included for this, not included for MP and west, and not included for the Gujarat and north. Correct. This is how you can write with the nested if condition and condition. Next, we can write this with the switch condition also. So again, I will take a new column and status with switch. I will write over here status with switch, that is equal to switch, that is equal to, let's say I'm writing switch. Okay, I want the true value here. Here UE, true value I want. Then comma, logic 1, that is with under the end condition. And I will just copy paste, guys, because to save the time I'll come over here. Wait, I will come over here and I will copy the entire one. Okay, I'll copy this and I'll come to the here, I'll paste over here to my notebook, and then I'll come to the state and I will paste over here in the end condition. First end condition, what is the first end condition we have? The state dim state code equal to K and dim state region equal to south. I'll take this and I'll paste under this in this end condition. So in first logic is if, sorry, not if over here. First condition is dim state equal to KL and dim state region equal to south. Then what do you want as a return? I want as a return as a not included. Not included. Okay. Next condition, what I want? Again, and the bracket, and over here again I want the one end condition, that is for the, I'll copy again, I'll paste over here. So my next end condition is state should be MP, right here MP, and region equal to west, so I'll write over here MP and region equal to, instead of south we have a west, WEST, west. Okay, and what is the return of this if the condition is true? Not included. Not included. Okay, again comma, one more end condition. I'll first inverted comma and alt enter, again one end condition, and we are writing over here again one more condition, this and dim state equal to actually code equal to GU, and dim state region equal to north, 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 right? See, the spelling exactly should be same. Even the caps also should be same, the small and capital, otherwise it will not work. Okay, if it is true value, again I want the not included. Okay, otherwise included in the else condition. Whenever this condition is not matching, wherever the KL and south is not available, then it falls under the included, right? It should be under the included. And wherever this MP and West is not in this data, it will become under the included. Similarly, whenever is the GU and North is not available, it will be under the included. And I will press enter over here. See, exactly same you got. Include, not included, not included, not included, and rest all is included. So like this also you can write with the switch condition. Next, you can use only one if condition, and you can use the or and and condition for this. So how you do that? So for that one, I'll just take a new column again and status with the and on or. Status with and or equal to if first and uh, in the end condition you can write this first condition KL equal to south and sorry, state code equal to KL and region equal to south. Then this again if condition. No, first you have to start with the or condition. Okay, and it will iterate over here. So I'm writing or condition. First condition is state code. State code equal to KL and and we can write the and with this like this also, and because we are comparing. So again under or logic or operator we have a logic 1 and logic 2. So logic 1 is this one. Okay, and this is the and operator over here. So and we can write over here state code is sorry region equal to, not region equal to south. Okay, so from here till here is a logic 1, and this logic 1 is comparing two value with the and operator, comma logic 2. Logic 2 can be, I'll copy this and paste over here, and instead of the KL it should be MP, right? MP, and the region equal to MP is the west, right? I can close this bracket. So in the OR operator, you can write only one logic and second logic. If you write the third logic, there is no option. In the OR operator, you have logic 1 and logic 2 only you can pass. But we have a three logic we have to write. First is this, second is MP, third is the Gujarat, GU. And in this, we have to this and this, then the result should be this. Again, or this and this, then result should be this. Or result is this and this, sorry, condition is this and this, the result is this one, correct? So but we have a three condition, but in the or we can pass only two logic. Logic 1 is from here till here, logic 1. Logic 2 is from here till here. So where we can write the third logic, correct? So for that we can pass the nested or condition. How we can write that nested or condition? So from here dim state till the south region, where is the comma starting till here is a logic 1. Okay, after this we can write here one more or condition. I'll keep in the bracket this. So this condition from dim state MP, state code equal to MP and dim state region equal to west. This is the logic 1 for this second OR condition. And logic 2, I can write over here, dim state code equal to, last is gu and and region equal to north. So it is north. So logic 2 is completed over here, and we have closed this bracket. Then we have to close the bracket for the second if condition. So sorry, second OR condition. So both the OR condition is completed. So from here till here is the condition for the if condition. So this is the if condition for this. Now we can return the result as a not included. Not included. Otherwise, first value is included. Included. Close the bracket for the if condition. Let's see. You got the exact same answer. Not included, not included, not included, not included, not included. Here also not included. Not in the rest all is included. So from here till here, it is the condition for the if. Okay, and in this we have here till here is the first logic for the OR. Under this OR operator, you can pass only two logic. So first logic is this, and second, in the second logic, we are writing one more OR condition. So in second OR condition, we have this one logic, and from here till here is the second logic, correct? And in one logic of the OR operator, we are writing the AND condition, this and this, then it will be true value, right? See here, KL and South, if both are true, then only it will be 1 written as a true, and this is true. And from here, if this MP and the region equal to west, then it is 1, I mean written as a true value for this. And for this also it is, if GU and region equal to north, then it is a 1 value. So from here, wherever is the 1, it is okay, otherwise it will be 0 or 1 condition. So don't be very complex. Here it is. Let me start from the beginning. For this operator from here to here, it is the condition for the if, and after this true result and false. Okay, now under one OR operator, we can write the two logic only, logic 1 and logic 2. So from here till here, it is a logic 1 and logic 2, because we have a 3 logic, so we are all entering one more OR operator. So like this, under this we can write one logic over here and one logic over here. Okay, this is how it is. An AND operator is basically comparing the two columns. Whenever this and this, then only you can write the include, not include, I mean. Okay, so if here, if both the value is true, then it will be true. But for the OR operator, any one should be true, then only it will be true. So from here, it is returning as a true value. From here, it is returning as a true value. From here, it is returning as a true value. I mean from here, from this dim state equal to, something went wrong over here. Now it is okay. From this GU and this returning as a true value, then only it is working perfectly. Okay, this is how you can write the status with OR condition also using the and OR. Okay, now let's try to plot the graph. So I want, let's say I'll take the funnel chart from here, and the funnel chart is this one, and I want that I'll take the region and I'll take the cells. Okay, this is how is my cells in all the region. Now I will take this status on filter on this visualization, and I will take only the included one. I'll not take the not included one, because I want to not, I have to exclude this column this reason or state from my report. So I'll just remove directly from here. Or there is a one more option that you can do. You can directly take the region from here and state code and one by one you do. But actually that is hectic. So we have calculated one derived column, that is status, and from there we have only two input, that is include and exclude, include and not include. So whatever is not include, I will not include in my report. This is how you can write the DEX for this if, true, switch, and or. So thank you so much. You practice this, and we will see you soon in the next session where we will see some of the visualization like how to plot the waterfall chart, how to plot the decomposition tree and what is the use of that, where you should use this. And we will see some of the other function also, maybe like time intelligence function, in the next upcoming video. Till that, stay connected, be happy, all the best, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please comment on my channel below the video. Or if you want this data, please go through my other Power BI video, chapter 1, chapter 2, or like tutorial 1, tutorial 2, tutorial 3, and you will find the data, all this data over there. Okay. And you can also start the learning from the beginning, from the Power BI tutorial 1. So because this will be the, I think, tutorial 6, if I'm not wrong. So okay guys, thank you so much.